Hi, I'm Faith, and you're watching Willoughby DIY. Today's video is a Mother's Day special. It's just a beautiful picture with a beautiful quote on it, and it is a quick craft. For a full list of supplies, check my description box. The first thing you'll need is some beautiful scrapbook paper and a canvas panel. I chose an 8x8 canvas panel from the Dollar Tree and just traced out the size I needed onto my scrapbook paper. Don't forget to pick you a beautiful quote and a pretty stencil for your lettering. Using a black Sharpie, I'm going to put my quote on this beautiful scrapbook paper. And I only use the stencil for the first letter of each word. And then just using a straight edge, I add in the rest of the letters for each word in a really simple font. And yes, I know, I misspelled motherhood here. Don't worry, I go back in later and fix that. Motherhood, whatever. Make sure you fill in those gaps where you use the stencils, because you know, stencils like to do that to us, don't they? Make sure you give credit to whoever said or wrote the quote. And then let's protect our surface with some parchment paper, because we're going to use spray adhesive. Just use whatever spray adhesive you like and spray it right onto your canvas, and then we can attach our paper. Make sure you line it up evenly, smooth it out, and after it dries for a few minutes, you can trim off any excess paper you might have hanging over. Taking 6 craft sticks, trim off the ends, cut 2 in half, and we're going to attach those using hot glue to the back of our canvas, leaving a slight overhang that we'll use to support our dowel rods for the frame later. Then we can embellish it, and I embellish mine using these 3 cute wooden hearts and a strip of the Dollar Tree lace ribbon, but you can use whatever you like for yours. And for our frames, 4 12-inch dowel rods, trim them to size and attach them to the edge. I'll put the measurements for these in the description box. But you just want to glue them right on the edge, supported by those craft sticks, and each one is slightly overhanging the next dowel rod. Clean up any excess glue, obviously. And once you have all 4 on, you're done with your framing. See, here's how I added them. Reinforced with a bit of hot glue on the back. And then let's cover up that mess using some craft paper that I cut down to the perfect size, especially if you're going to be giving this away. For the hanger, I'm just going to take a small bit of jute twine, stick it together, add another one of those cute little wooden hearts, trim off the end, and attach it to the back. And that is it for this project. It is so simple and absolutely gorgeous. Perfect Mother's Day gift, or just a gift. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments down below. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy Mother's Day. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Make sure you tap that notification bell so you know every time I upload. And as always, have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.